what I like the most is like you focused on very minute things, how hands should be coordinated with the feet and how expression and how all the movements, small things. So yeah, it's very nice and very interesting to learn with you. And your class also add charms to Kathak actually. Little things you have shown like, okay, this is Pujan Thali and then you have to offer the.
Welcome, Divya, to the Danceathon Finisher Interview Series. Very happy to have you. Done with basics once and
Yes.
showing up on the Danceathon Finisher Interview. So, would you like to tell a little about yourself?
Yeah, so I am like 10 years experienced, IT experienced person. So I got my baby. I just finished my maternity leave and started my office journey also. So I was thinking like, okay, I have to learn something else so that I can change my mind for 1 hour and get a stress-free life. And also one more thing, like for Kathak, it's my dream to learn properly. And when I talked with you, we had a workshop on Saturday, like last month, in the month of August. So I was thinking like, yeah, it's the best time and a good platform to learn with you because I cannot go like to learn anywhere.
Yeah.
It's right platform, like.
Beautiful, Divya. So, first time into Kathak?
It's like I was trying to learn somewhere, like locally. I was going in Pune, but yeah, I was not able to manage the work life balance with Kathak because office is also there. Then I have to manage home. Then I cannot follow the passion like that. So I just discontinued my journey in the year of 2016 or something. And after that, yeah, it's first time with you.
Okay. So, how was this Danceathon installing basics?
Yeah, it's very nice. And what I like the most is like you focused on very minute things which are there, which are missing. Actually, we can learn from anywhere, from online, offline, but the minute things, how hands should be coordinated with the feet, and how expression and how all the movements, small things. So yeah, it's very nice and very interesting to learn with you. And I can like one then a danceathon has been finished, but I can continue with 2, 3 danceathon to make my skill perfect.
Beautiful, Divya. Very nice.
Yeah.
This is an issue with all IT. The whole lifestyle is you don't have time, and
Yes.
something to fit into the routine has to be properly made. So, this is just a small effort from that angle. Wonderful. So, I want you to share how is it learning a classical Indian art form? Is it like any other skill, or you felt this is a little different?
It's little different and like it's touching spirituality level. It is like all mind, body, soul, everything you have to connect with. Then only you can dance. Otherwise, it's like a physical activity or some exercises. It's not like that.
So, what is the effect after the class?
I'm feeling much more confident. And I have performed also in this Ganesh Utsav in my society. I have performed also some like semi-classical dance I have performed many times, but this time it is something different. I
That
have
feeling was different.
yes, the all the movements and all. I have just I don't learn much. Like I don't know the technicality of the movement in the Kathak, but whatever classes I have attended, it's like basic only. So with the basic knowledge also, I felt much more confident, and many more people like liked my performance. It's like
Beautiful. You see,
yes,
simple movements like how to bring your hand, simple movement, they add a lot of beauty and charm to your
yes,
standing. Only a dancer standing on the stage. That's enough
yes.
as a
Yes, that car form and everything, it's very perfect from like beginning and after your class.
beautiful. Very happy to know. And I really appreciate people who showcase the talent. My spiritual guru Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar ji says, you have a talent, you have to showcase it. You have got it to showcase it. You can't enjoy, a cook cannot enjoy eating by himself, herself. You have to cook for others. So if you're
Yes.
learning something, you have to showcase so that people can see that beauty and divinity through the dance.
Yes, one thing is like missing, like I don't know much technicality of the Kathak. So I was a little embarrassed, like how can I show the dance? Because I only like semi-classical type of song, like whatever song in Devdas or like Mohe Panghat Pe. These type of songs are my first choice for showcasing.
Don't worry, when you learn properly, if you decide to come into the diamond classes, then it's all a longer journey. For 1 2 years, you are completely learning the proper basics. You will be able to pick up the Bollywood song and put Kathak into it and then showcase. Your entire base of learning dance will change. Here, it's
Yeah.
just 5 weeks of installing the base of the dance form. That is going to take some time to reflect on the body. But the Padhati wise dancing will start when you come into diamond. So beautiful. I'm very happy to know all this. How did it complement your IT side of life? Is my second question.
Okay. So from IT side, it's like simple. You have to log in and you have to be in calls. Nothing else. Like no movements at all. Our body is like, okay, fine. Just logging in. Eyes are working. That's it. And after Kathak learning, it's like, yeah. Sometimes it adds excitement on Tuesday. Like, yeah, I have to join one class also. So yeah, it's like exciting thing after joining your class. In IT life, I can say. It adds some spark.
Add some spark.
Yeah.
Beautiful, Divya. Anything else that you would like to share? Could you use the portal properly? You were there into live classes, but could you use the portal also?
Yeah, in portal, sometimes I feel like in mobile, I am not able to do that back and forward thing. It's very difficult sometimes.
You need to put the video like this to be able to do that.
Okay.
You have to put the video in this way, then you
Hmm.
will see the blue bar.
Yes,
So
yes, I am able to see that. Yeah.
that's not an issue. Just need to change the view and then you will be able to.
View. Okay, fine. I'll just try that. I think in laptop, it's fine.
Yeah,
In personal laptop, yeah, it's fine. For mobile also, I will do that.
okay, great.
Yeah.
Anything else that you would like to share? I know it's a very short journey. It's just
Yes.
a token of appreciation that I want you to understand, you to feel good that you have done 5 weeks of basics, and I wanted to appreciate. That's why this interview series. But would you like to share anything else apart from what you shared?
Nothing else. Like in these danceathons, it's same pattern, right? The next danceathon, I can join directly, right?
Any number. We don't
Hmm.
limit. Anytime
So
you
okay,
feel you want to get back to basics, come into Danceathons.
yeah. So then I can just polish my skill for 2 3 danceathons more, and then I'll try to join the diamond classes also.
Wonderful,
After.
great. Any message you would like to share it with other women who are into IT? You know how corporate life is, morning until evening. When you have a child, you are at home, you
Yes.
log in from your laptop, you are there like a, public booth station working, and then you do your work in the breaks and then you sit down. People living that kind of life, would you like to share any message to them?
Just one message, like they can spare some time for themselves also. They don't have to lose themselves for duties and for baby. Baby is also a full time job, but you have to spare some time, like 1 hour at least, for yourself to like to enjoy yourself at least. You can connect your soul.
Connect back to your soul.
Yes.
Right. So, ladies watching this interview, there has to be a way to connect back to yourself. And Kathak can be a small
Yes.
introductory way to get back to
Yes.
yourself. Through the dance, the body, you get back to the mind and you feel great about it.
Also add charms to Kathak actually. One module is there in the
Come on,
portal.
Kathak, yeah.
Yeah, yes, yes. So yeah, it adds actually. It adds the charms because whatever you little things you have shown, like okay, this is Pujan Thali, and then you have to offer the flour and all. So yeah, it adds something.
That's how I have learned. So the same way I've shared. When I learned, Divya, I was thinking everybody should know this. This is such a precious knowledge. Like when you
Yes,
read Gita, you go through Gita and you really understand. You feel Krishna has told all the secrets of how to live life. We all must really read about this. If you really follow half of what he has told, life cannot be sorrowful. Same feeling I used to get when my gurus used to teach me. My whole friend circle would be into all Western dancing, salsa, zumba, dance, whatever.
yes,
It's not like that I don't like it. I like everything. But this is very special to me because what I get by doing the riyaz in Kathak, I don't get it anywhere else outside. So I found it very deep, meaningful, and settling kind of a feeling.
yes.
So if you have not tasted it, must taste it once at least. Thank you, Divya, for sharing your time and sharing so heartfully.
Thanks,
Very
thanks
happy.
for
Wish you all the best.
yeah. Thank you.
Bye bye.